Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to auto-delete cache files in Capcut. The process is simple and easy. The first thing is open your Capcut application. After it opens, before going any further, let me explain the benefit of auto-delete cache file. With the help of this feature, the cache files will be deleted from Capcut automatically, and you don't need to delete these again and again by yourself. So now let's enable the auto-delete feature. Take a look on the right top. In this pop-up, you can see the option settings. Tap on this option, and in this pop-up, tap on the first option settings. And in this window, you can see the option Cache Manager. This option is set on Don't Delete Cache Files. And on the second number, you can see the option Auto Delete Cache File. Tap on it, and tap on this one 30 days ago, and simply set this to 15 days. Now, after the 15 days, the cache file will be deleted from Capcut automatically. You don't need to delete this again and again, and it's the minimum days for deleting cache file automatically, and it was the primary way by which you can auto-delete cache file in Capcut.